Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're picking potatoes. Alright guys, the first part of the season. Disappointment. Ooh! Guys, you might see like that some of the potatoes are green. That means that like they will like this. They were poking out. And they had too much sun on them, which made them turn green. But don't worry, just because they're green doesn't mean that we can't use them. We can still use them. You just gotta cut that part off. Oh. Did I hit a walk? That ain't looking like no walk. Oh, it's a potato. Holy mackerel. Magic. Oh, well, would you just look at that? Okay, we're starting to get a bit better. Okay, already I can see one. Well, ain't that just fun? Yeah, how did that happen? Okay, well, at least it's not as bad. Okay, so guys, as you just saw, so the fork was laying like that, like this, which made me almost trip and puncture my foot. So it's an every time mistake. So you want it like this, so someone doesn't accidentally puncture their foot. Lesson learned. Learning and growing. Hey, what happened to him? Schools again? Guys, my dad taught me, so like if you can't see the potatoes, use the hand as the feeler. See? Because look what I just found. Into the board feeder, would ya? Nice knowing ya. Now you're gonna get eaten by a boar. Into the board feeder you go. Like I was just like digging through, and then I found a peanut. But it's not actually a real peanut. It's a potato that looks like a peanut. Okay, so guys, these are how many potatoes we got. Like the size difference. This one's huge. This one's small, but I don't care because like as long as they taste good. Like as long as they taste good, that's what I'm going for. They taste good. Okay. Look at all of them. You're gonna have to see them yourself. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. So guys, make sure you comment down fraud, please, and make sure you like and subscribe for this guy. Bye. Bye. He said bye. Bye.